Hey, what's going on, guys? Sahaman here, and we're doing a review on the Air Hogs remote control Batman vs Superman Batmobile. So I'm going to show you everything that this set comes with. I already took it out of the box. I couldn't wait, so I wanted to actually play with this. So it does come with an instructions sheet, and it explains everything you need to do and whatnot. It comes with the controller, tells you how to direct it, has power LEDs as far as the car goes, and you know, it just has it off and